How to back up your company file in QuickBooks. So first you will need to log into QuickBooks. I've just logged into my account here. And then once logged in, we will simply click on the cogwheel here in the top right corner. If you see an option to back up your company right here, then great, you can click it. However, if you don't, then we will manually have to do that by clicking on export data here. And it's going to look like this. We can export the reports here or the lists of our customers, employees, suppliers, so on and so forth. If you want to uncheck any of those and you don't want them exported, we will click on this toggle here, but I'm just going to leave it like so. And then also I will leave it for all of these other options here as well, and make sure that all dates are selected. Once you have checked these settings, we will click on export and it will tell us that we have successfully exported this data here. If I click on it, then you will see our exported file, and if I extract it here, you will be able to see all of our data here for our company on QuickBooks. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.